So what we have here is the ACT versus GPA data from a Michigan high school. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look inside by making a table. And then I might want to go ahead and create the scatter plot, just pull down a graph, and we want the explanatory variable to be GPA, and the response variable to be ACT, and there's my scatter plot. Now I could, and this is for the population, I could go ahead and add the least squares regression line and see what my population parameters are. This would be alpha and beta, beta being slope. And for this one, it looks like the actual true population slope is 5.19. Now, typically we don't know that information. So what we usually do, we can see that in this set, we have 99 values, just like on your guided notes. We're going to take a sample from this population, and we're going to estimate the slope with a sample statistic. So let's go ahead and sample. And I want, as in our notes, 9 cases without replacement. Since it's such a small data set, the animation can stay on, or you can turn it off. Yes, I want to replace what's there. And before I do this, I want to take a look in what I just did to make sure it's what I expected. So, looks like it by default did 10. And let's take a look at the graph of those. So GPA versus ACT. So that's a sample of 9 cases, 10 cases. Now I'm going to sample 9. There they are. And I'm curious about the sample slope. So I look at the least squares regression line, and I can see that the sample slope, just B, not beta, B would be the sample slope of B equals 3.14. And you're going to use your statistic of this sample slope to create a confidence interval. And that is on, let's check, in the notes. That is on page 3 of your notes. Good luck.